Speaking of the toxic air crisis, Ishika Verma joins us with the latest update on how the national capital is faring as far as the weather conditions, the fog, the flight cancellations and the AQI is concerned. Ishika, give us the lowdown. How bad is it this morning as far as the AQI is concerned? What's the temperature like? And give us the status of flight delays and cancellations.
Well, Parmeshwar, if you talk about today as well, it is certainly not a good visibility day because we are currently present near the Akshardham and we like to show you the visuals that we are getting from here. You can see that today as well, there's a thick blanket of smog that continues to be present in the air, because of which certainly the visibility here has been impacted. And, if we go by the IMD data, the visibility at the Palam Airport was recorded at around 350 meters and at Safdarjung Airport was around 600 meters. Now, the Delhi airport has also issued advisory regarding that, and they have said that the low visibility procedures are already underway at the airport so that the flight delays would be reduced. But certainly we are expecting that throughout the day there will be, a number that will be getting in terms of the flight cancellations as well. Now, if we now talk about the air quality index, Parmeshwar, today as well, the Delhi has in fact recorded the overall AQI in the very poor category as per the CPCB data, and it stands at 365. We are showing you continuously the visuals near the Akshardham, and you can see that because of this blanket of smog, you will not be getting a clear picture of Akshardham on your screens. Even other areas, be it Anand Vihar, be it Narela, be it Bhavana, all of these places, the air quality index still continues to be over the 400 mark. So the questions certainly are being asked to the government, and in response to that, the government says that the steps that are being taken, they will show results in a long-term manner. So certainly no immediate relief is what the Delhiites, should expect right now. So certainly the people here, the residents here, they are expecting and in fact questioning the government as to when there will be real change on the ground. Over to you.